Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will delve into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a loss of -2.16%. This equates to an average loss of -0.31% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 30% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of over 37% to just under 24%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of approximately 18%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between 14% and nearly 87% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $168.56 and $275.91. In our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor, we highlight a notable decline. A red day on Monday for Taiwan Semiconductor stock. After losing 2.61%, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock price experienced a decrease of 2.61% on the last trading day, Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, falling from 151.83 to 147.86. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.04%, reaching a low of 145.84 and a high of 150.28. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 0.72% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as trading volume should align with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 14 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.97 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $226.40, while the lowest was $125.78. Currently, the price is 34.69%, or $78.54, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSMC, is experiencing a notable drop in its stock today, with shares down 2.7%. This decline is attributed to several bearish factors, including moderating demand for artificial intelligence. Recent analyst commentary highlights concerns regarding growth in the second half of 2025, particularly as competition from Intel in the 3-nanometer space could impact TSMC's future earnings growth, potentially stunting the momentum generated by earlier successes in advanced chip manufacturing. Despite these challenges, TSMC's fundamentals remain quite strong. The company reported impressive results for the first quarter, showcasing a 41% year-over-year revenue growth and strong earnings driven by demand for AI-optimized chips. This robust performance, coupled with a forward price-to-earnings ratio below 16 for 2026, suggests that TSMC may be undervalued in the current market context. Additionally, TSMC's strategic investment of $100 billion in the United States is aimed at diversifying production and mitigating tariff-related risks. While geopolitical concerns persist, this move could reinforce TSMC's competitive position in the global market. In the short term, the stock may continue to face volatility amid market sell-offs and shifts in sentiment. However, longer-term prospects remain bright due to strong underlying fundamentals and ongoing demand for advanced semiconductor technologies. Investors should weigh immediate market reactions against these solid growth indicators when considering TSMC's stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned TSM a buy rating accompanied by an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays designated TSM with an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna granted TSM a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM an underperform rating, also with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave TSM a buy rating while suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and so far it has risen 4.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence short-term developments. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at 153.25 and 166.55. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as typically, volume should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $146.80. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is subject to significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting volatility, and due to a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated $4.44 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 3.04%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.96%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $158.75. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may serve as a point to evaluate for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $146.80. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor displays several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open higher by approximately 13 cents and begin trading at $147.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.